What happens when small flightless birds are left alone on an isolated continent with no predators? They don't stay small for long. Over millions of years, they grow bigger, faster, deadlier, rising to the top as the ultimate hunters. Excited, and eventually, they become something terrifying. The terror birds, one of the most fearsome predators to ever walk the earth. From 60 million to just 2 million years ago, they ruled the landscapes of South America long before humans existed. Why is it called the terror bird? Because it can run at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, chasing down its prey, before slamming into it and knocking it to the ground. And once the prey is down, it attacks fast. With its massive beak, it doesn't just strike once, it delivers rapid, repeated blows, each hit carrying 30 to 50 pounds of force, like a boxer throwing combination punches. Its attacks are precise, targeting the head and neck, aiming to disable as quickly as possible. Its toes are armed with sharp claws, capable of piercing deep into flesh, and its second toe, curved like a hook, locks onto prey, holding it in place. And then there's the sound, a terrifying call echoing across the ancient world. Let's hear what it might have sounded like.
The terror bird family included dozens of species, ranging from small, agile hunters to towering apex predators. Among the most formidable were Kelenkin, Forus racos, Devinsenzia, and Titanis, each one a specialist, built for speed, power, and precision killing.
Titanis was one of the last terror birds, and the only one to reach North America, crossing over before the great American biotic entered. So, why did the terror bird go extinct? The answer is simple. New predators arrived. Around 3 million years ago, North and South America connected in an event known as the Great American Biotic Interchange. And with it came competition. Big cats, wolves, bears. These predators were stronger in close combat, more adaptable, and some even hunted in packs. Terror birds relied on speed and precision strikes. But against these new hunters, it wasn't enough. Over time, they lost their place at the top of the food chain until around 2 million years ago, they disappeared. Megistotherium was one of the largest land predators to ever live after the dinosaurs went extinct. It lived around 15 million years ago in Africa during the Miocene epoch. This giant hunter belonged to the hyenodonts, ancient carnivorous mammals that ruled the land long before lions or wolves appeared. Megistotherium could grow over 4 meters long and weigh nearly 900 kilograms. Its massive skull and bone-crushing jaws made it a true apex predator. Unlike fast ambush hunters, Megistotherium relied on raw strength and endurance. One powerful bite could crush bone and tear through flesh. With its gigantic head and terrifying bite force, Megistotherium looked more like a prehistoric monster than a modern mammal. Now let's compare their strengths. In terms of size and weight, Megistotherium clearly has the advantage. Megistotherium is estimated to weigh around 200 to 400 kilograms on average, while Titanis weighed only around 150 kilograms. But Titanis still has several important advantages. Its greatest strengths are mobility and agility. Titanis was lighter, faster, and more agile than its opponent. Instead of overpowering prey directly, it likely relied on precision strikes, targeting the eyes, face, and neck with repeated beak attacks. Megistotherium, on the other hand, probably preferred ambush attacks and short-range overpowering combat. So this fight becomes a battle between speed and precision against raw strength and crushing power. Either way, this is going to be an incredible fight. Terror-birds likely had excellent eyesight, allowing them to track prey, judge distance, and deliver precise attacks at high speed. However, Titanis can survive, but only if it fights smart. How? By staying fast, staying mobile, and using repeated attacks from a safer distance. Megistotherium, because of its heavy body, likely preferred ambush attacks and short-distance charges. The terror bird is using its signature attack, precision strikes, directly targeting the head and the neck. Terror birds possessed highly flexible and well-developed necks, allowing them to support their heavy heads and deliver attacks with remarkable speed and power. Its attack mechanism is somewhat similar to a rope dart. Hit and pull back immediately. Now it's the Megistotherium's turn to use its signature attack, a devastating crushing bite force used to overpower prey at close range. Haha. The terror bird's terrifying call is working. The Megistotherium is startled for a moment, just enough time for the terror bird to react. As I said, the terror bird can survive only by fighting smart. And this retreat? It's a smart move. Terror birds were likely intelligent predators with good instincts. They knew when to attack and when to back off. Against a monster like the Megistotherium, survival matters more than pride. With its long, powerful legs, lightweight running body, and strong hip muscles, the terror bird could likely run at speeds of 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, much faster than the Megistotherium. Sure, it lost the meal this time, but hey, better lose dinner than become dinner. That's all for this time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.